Hi, Mr. Unger here, and in today's problem, we're going to find all the solutions to this cubic equation. So we have x cubed minus 4x squared minus 11x plus 30 equals 0. So to do that, we're going to find one of the solutions first. We're going to use the rational root theorem to do that. We're going to take all of the factors of the last term and all the factors of the coefficient of the first term, and we're going to divide all these factors by all these factors to get our potential solutions. After we do that, we're going to use synthetic division to find one of the solutions and then also the resulting quadratic when you divide by the factor associated with that solution. So to start, let's list the factors of 30. So we have positive factors and also negative factors because um, you can multiply negative by negative to get a positive. So we have plus or minus 1. So we can divide 30 by 1. Plus or minus 2. We can divide 30 by 2. Plus or minus 3. We can divide 30 by 3. Plus or minus 4 does not work. Plus or minus 5 does work. Plus or minus 6 works. Plus or minus 7 does not work. Plus or minus 8 does not work. Plus or minus 9 does not work. So the next one is 10. Divide 30 by 10. Okay. You can't divide 30 by 11, 12, 13, or 14, but you can divide 30 by 15. Okay. And then the next one that you can divide 30 by is 30 itself. In front of the x cubed, we have a 1. So the factors of 1 are just plus or minus 1. Now, when we divide these factors by plus or minus 1, we're going to just get plus or minus all of these as potential solutions. So I'm going to start with the positives, and we're going to use synthetic division. Okay, and I'm going to write the coefficients in front of each term. So 1 minus 4, negative 11, and you just write 30 at the end there. So now we bring down the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Add these two. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. If we add negative 11 and negative 3, we get negative 14. One times negative 14 is negative 14. 30 plus negative 14 is 16. Okay, so this doesn't work. 1 is not a solution because we don't have a remainder of 0. We have a remainder of 16, so that does not work. So let's try 2. Again, I'm writing the coefficients and the n constant. And we're going to try 2 this time. Bring down the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 11 plus negative 4 is negative 15. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30. And 30 plus negative 30 is 0. Okay, so our remainder is 0, so 2 is a solution. And now we can write the resulting quadratic when we divide by the factor x minus 2 would be x squared minus 2x minus 15. So now we want to factor this. So we want to look for the factors that multiply to negative 15, but add to negative 2. So those would be negative 5 times positive 3. So we're going to have we can factor this into x minus 5 times x plus 3. Remember, when we divide by x minus 2, this whole quadratic would still equal 0. This would equal 0. So now, if we divided this side by x minus 2 and this side by x minus 2, we'd get this equals 0. Okay, so now we can use the zero product property, set each of the factors equal to 0. And the reason we can do that is if this entire thing equals 0, 0 times whatever this is would equal 0. And likewise, if this entire thing equals 0, 0 times whatever this is would equal 0. So x minus 5 equals 0. We want to add 5 to both sides. So we get x 5. Okay, we can also set x plus 3 equal to 0. Subtract 3 from both sides. And we get x equals -3. Okay. So our solutions to this are x equals -3, 2, which we found using the rational root theorem and synthetic division, and then 5. And that's it. We found the solutions to this cubic equation. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day.